out this open range 393 TBR. It has 3 bedrooms plus a loft. Come here. Here is a bedroom. We've got a desk, cabinets, a full bath. And then this is kind of like a Jack and Jill bathroom and bedroom. So here you have 2 other, this could be a bed here, another desk, cabinets for their clothes, and then, come here, a loft.
Ah, someone snuck up there.
Oh, you're so funny. And then look at this gorgeous kitchen. So check out this pantry. This is like big family friendly. Look at that. And we've got bar stools here.
Oh, on both sides.
Yes, and there, all the kids could sit at the island. I think we need this. And a dishwasher. Oh my word. Do you know how long it's been since I've had a dishwasher?
Quite a
Look
while.
at this, all this seating. Gorgeous lights, lots of space and cabinetry. Look at that huge fridge. Look at this gorgeous bathroom.
Oh, the light just kicked on.
Ah! Look at the bedroom, which also, here's your desk.
That's awesome.
Isn't that awesome?
Go look at that shower.
I know. This is a 393 TBR open range, and it is absolutely gorgeous.